Did you hear the news about the new AI kid in the block? Yes, Devin, the world's first AI software engineer.
I try to convince people to slow down AI. I tried for years.
This seems
Nobody
like a scene
listened.
in a...
The headlines are screaming that software engineering jobs are dead. But let's take a deep breath and a closer look at Devin and what it means for the industry. While Devin may have impressive capabilities, it's important to remember that these tools are designed to showcase the coolest features to attract investors and compete against major AI players like OpenAI, Google, and Meta. Just like every product, there are limitations that we only discover after we start using it. It can also do work tasks and dev tasks.
Hey, I'm Walden, one of the developers here at Cognition AI. We were playing around with whether or not Devin could start a side hustle on Upwork. So here's an actual real job from Upwork where the client wants to set up this computer vision model, which actually looks quite interesting. It seems very difficult to set up. I'm not sure how I would start doing this, but you give the task to Devin and ask Devin to figure it out, and things just kick off. Devin immediately goes ahead, and you can see it sort of starts setting up the repo. It actually runs into some issues here with the versioning. So if you watch how Devin deals with it, Devin's actually updating the code to make these things work. He continues with this, loading and importing packages. You can see that actually downloads images from the internet to run through the model. But you can see here that there are actually some issues that come across. However, Devin knows how to handle these things. Devin kind of pushes through, and if you look closely, Devin's actually doing print line debugging here, where Devin is adding these statements to track where the data flows. And Devin continues to do this until Devin understands how everything's working, and actually then updates the code with the fixes after removing print line statements. Devin continues this pattern of fixing code and running it again until it runs the image model across all of these roads across the world. And we can ask for a report from Devin. At which point, Devin sends over some sample images of roads with damage marked out and a nice TXT file explaining Devin's work and the different kinds of outputs of the model. Good job, Devin.
Overall, Devin could potentially have an impact on freelance developers in the gig economy. While AI like Devin can generate code, it's unlikely that any serious company would let an AI handle their sensitive code base without human oversight. A human software engineer always needs to review the AI's work. AI can sometimes generate code that looks impressive, but doesn't actually solve the problem. This is known as AI hallucination, where the AI spits out something that seems impressive, but doesn't actually work. While AI is getting better at code generation, it's important to remember that building great software is about much more than just typing out code. There are many aspects of software development that AI hasn't touched yet, such as human interaction and problem-solving skills. AI can't replace the human interaction involved in software development, such as talking to other engineers, designers, and stakeholders to figure out solutions together. Remember, when GitHub Copilot first came out, there was a similar hype about AI replacing developers. However, it has proven to be another productivity booster tool, not a job stealer. While AI like Devin is reshaping the tech landscape, human creativity and adaptability will always be key. If you just enrolled into a computer science course, don't get disheartened by Devin. Keep learning, keep growing your skills, and trust that if AI gets so good that even experienced software engineers are replaced, the world will be changing, not just coding. Let me know what you think of Devin in the comments section.